When this electric pressure washer showed up at my house, I thought the box was a mistake. It's so small that I genuinely thought there was no way a pressure washer was inside. Wrong. Not only is this compact with an anti-tipping design, it's powerful. Typically you can have one or the other, a compact size or incredible power and pressure, but with this you get both. Not to mention it's incredibly lightweight at less than 14 pounds. It's also the first electric pressure washer I've seen with 4 rotating wheels. This makes maneuvering it around cars, sidewalks, and the house super easy. They also individually lock, which is perfect when you don't want it rolling down the driveway while washing your car. But let's back up to setup. Out of the box, setting it up is as easy as it gets. I think in total I screwed in 8 screws with my standard Phillips screwdriver that pretty much anyone can use and should have. Then I attach the wand holder, the hose reel, the electrical cord holder, and 4 wheels, and it's ready to use. Even the wand has a convenient place for all 4 nozzles. And now that it's set up, getting started is just as easy. Attach the wand and the lance, then plug in the long 33-foot cord to both the wand and the unit. This has an airtight seal ring on both ends that gets pushed in first, and then it gets tightened clockwise. Attach your garden hose by turning it counterclockwise. These are usually reverse threads, so don't let this confuse you or frustrate you. The electrical cord is 20 feet long, which is excellent. Plug it into an outlet or a grounded electrical cord. Turn on the water. Turn on the power. Attach your nozzle of choice. And it's ready. The beauty of such a small portable pressure washer is you can use it for just about anything around the house. Sidewalks, driveways, pavers, fences. I even use it to clean my shoes. Use the foam dispenser to wash cars. It's easy to attach and even has a place right on the washer to hang it when you're done. You can load it with a pre-mixed car wash soap or just load it with your own concoction of soap and water. The nozzles come in 4 different sizes: 0 degree, 15, 25, and 40. The wand even has a safety lock located right on the back of the trigger. And it comes with a nozzle cleaner, which is great for clearing any debris that gets inside. The 4 rotating wheels keep it moving without getting stuck, and frankly, I like them a lot better than I thought I would. As I mentioned earlier, you can individually lock each one, so that's really convenient. And one of the highlights for me is the non-leaking connections. I have other electric pressure washers and they are absolutely prone to leaking, which is a loss of pressure and power. But when tightened correctly, this one hasn't leaked a drop of water. Once you're done, breaking it down is just as simple, but here are a few tips to make it easier. Start by turning the power off and then the water. Now release the pressure in the hose by holding the trigger down and letting out that water and that air. This makes unscrewing your hose and cord much easier. So if you're having trouble with getting either to twist off, be sure to try releasing the pressure from the wand first. Place the nozzles back, untwist the lance from the wand and place them back in the holders, and you're done. Frankly, I can't say enough positive things about this pressure washer. It absolutely blew me away with its size and its ability. So if you're in the market for a new electric pressure washer, or maybe you know somebody that this would be good for, give this one from Your York a shot. I really don't think you'll be disappointed. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.